What's up, guys? We're gonna be reversing the 1-2 Buckle My Shoe song. I just got this idea from my friend. He just told me to do it. And so I'm gonna do it. I got the shirt right here by Julian _ 3221. Wait. Yeah, 3221. Now we're gonna reverse it. Edit. And now reverse. Okay, let's just wait for a bit. Not gonna take long. It's 18 seconds. Now, let's hear it. 3, 2, 1. Holy ones, holy ones. Something, oh my English, huh? Okay, let's just slow this down to really hear it. So, where's my speed? Normal. Let's just slow it down a bit. Oh, you much, huh? What? I owe you much. I owe you much. Boom. That's the lyrics at the end. So we got the laugh there. / chuckle. Ha 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 ha. Raya was. Huh? What? What do? Huh? Oh god, my wrist hurts from falling. Let's see. Let's just replay the help part, so. Let's just slice. Help. Oh, it's like a bit before that. So it's about there, like there. No, not that. So, wait. Okay, it's about there. And no, let's just get a whole new thing here.
Oh, come over here, come.
And then reverse that. Reverse. Come on, quickly load up, boot up. Okay.
Jag får se skriken
So help me is around like here. So like it's here. What? He's like starting around here. Around there. Okay, let's replay that. So let's copy it. Copy, where's the copy button? Copy. Where is copy? Copy. And let's just slow that other version down. Speed. Let's just do like curve. Another jump cut. Bullet. No, way too fast. Oh. No. Custom. Now we gotta make it bigger. At least like. Smoother. Reset. We gotta get like on normal. No, let's do 0.2. He kind of pronounces the P, so yeah. And also, this was an idea by my friend. So let's just play the entire version. I gotta turn this to normal. Speed, normal, and then 1 second.
Jag får se skriken Jag får se skriken
I want. No, this part right here, it's creepy. It'd be just cool. I'm just gonna make it cooler and just like maybe like a glitch effect. Glitch. I like the blocks. I'm just gonna do a color. Why did it turn it upside down? And then another one here, color glitch. Okay, let's do this one.
with now.
We're now, brother. Swish me, my best. You will make.
Real force it.
Okay, this is just getting off hand, so like, I didn't write a script since I'm, young. I don't have a script writer. Anyways, bye-bye, guys. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks. Ooh, that is so fire.